Most traditional sandals look good for 10 minutes, then your feet start hurting. But this Hush Puppies sandal surprised me. If you wear kurtas, linen pants, dhotis, or ethnic outfits for weddings and functions, a good leather sandal is honestly a must-have. And this one from Hush Puppies looked like the perfect classy option. So let's unbox it. Ordered this from Amazon. Inside, we get the classic Hush Puppies box. Honestly, I like the minimal black and white design, and that small dog logo looks pretty cute too. Now, here's the interesting part. I bought this for around rupees 2300, but the actual MRP is close to 3300 rupees. And during offers, people sometimes grab this for even 1800. So, planning to buy this, keep tracking the price. Alright, here's the sandal. This is the fisherman style sandal from Hush Puppies. First impression, very classy, very mature, and honestly, it doesn't look cheap at all. The dark brown leather with the lighter brown interior gives it a premium traditional vibe. It uses genuine leather material, and you can instantly notice the thick stitching all around. The stitching actually looks strong and durable, not just for show. And I really like these gaps between the straps. It makes the sandal feel airy and breathable. The sole design also looks neat. Even underneath, you can see the attention to detail. Now, comfort is where this sandal really impressed me. The inside sole feels very soft. Especially for adults or older people, this feels super comfortable for long events. The buckle system is also very easy to use. Just loosen it, slide your feet in, and you are done. Okay, first thing I noticed after wearing it, my feet immediately felt comfortable. From the side, this looks amazing. The dark brown leather gives a very elegant wedding vibe. And with linen pants, kurtas, dhotis, this actually completes the whole outfit. But there is one thing you absolutely need to know before buying this. This sandal is not water resistant, so don't use this during rainy days or rough daily use. This is more of a special occasion sandal. To maintain the leather properly, you'll need to clean it using leather cleaner or leather shampoo, then wipe it with a soft cloth. So yes, a little maintenance is needed. But overall, this feels stylish, premium and genuinely comfortable. If you want one classy leather sandal for weddings, family events or festive wear, this makes a lot of sense. But if you want something for rough everyday use, you should probably skip this. Thanks for watching.